Have you ever accidentally deleted a photo or snap on Snapchat and you thought it was actually gone forever? In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to recover your deleted photos on Snapchat step by step, showing you just few methods that actually works. So guys, without so much of your time, let's dive right into the video. You're welcome to AppFix&In, and my name is Daniel. So looking right here on the screen, you can see that this is the homepage of my Snapchat. Now, in order for you to actually recover those deleted snaps, the first step you need to take is to go ahead and click on the gallery icon right here in order to go to your memory section. So when you go to your memory section, looking right here, you can see the photos and videos you've actually taken with your Snapchat. So in order for you to recover any of these to your camera roll on your device, you just need to go ahead and tap and hold it like this. Now, once you tap and hold it like this, go ahead and click on the edit button at the bottom of the screen. When you do that, at the bottom here, you can see where it says export. So you just need to go ahead and click on that, and it is going to be exported to your phone gallery. So that is the first way you can actually recover your deleted photo or snap on Snapchat. So let's say the first step did not actually work out for you. The next way you can actually do this in order to recover those snap is to come right here, go to your file on your device. Just go to your file. Now right here on your file, you need to go ahead and click on internal storage. When you click on internal storage like this, go ahead and click on the search button and search for Snapchat. Then go ahead and click on the Snapchat folder like this. So you just need to come right here and you'll be able to see those photos or videos you've actually taken with your Snapchat. And if there's anyone you're looking for that is not on your camera roll, that you're not seeing on your gallery, you just need to come right here, search for them, and you'll be able to see them right here. So this is the second step you can actually take in order to recover your snap on Snapchat. So let's say you are using iPhone, you can actually use the iTunes app or use your Finder on your computer in order to explore the Snapchat app data. So that is the second way you can actually recover it. So let's say the first and the second way did not work out for you. This is something you can actually do next. You need to go into the Snapchat app like this. So right here on your Snapchat app, go ahead and click on the profile icon at the top left corner like this. When you do that, go ahead and click on the setting icon like this. So right here, you just need to go ahead and scroll down gently. Looking here, you can see where it says my privacy and data. You need to go ahead and expand that section, then go ahead and click on my data. So when you do that, looking here, you can see where it says export memories, and also you can see this place where it says export shared stories. So you just need to go ahead and click on export shared stories and also click on export chat media. Then come right here and click on export your memories. You need to toggle these three options on, then go ahead and click on next like this. So looking right here is our calendar. So it depends on the month of which you actually take the snap that you want to recover. So you just need to go to that month and select the dates or select those days that you might have taken those pictures, then come right here at the bottom and click on submit. When you click on submit, you just need to wait for a while. Snapchat is going to send an email as a zip file containing your data. Sometimes it includes deleted media and metadata that can actually help you to recover what is actually missing. So these are the ways you can actually recover your snap on Snapchat. So let's say you've actually taken this step. Now, in order for you to actually prevent any further loss, you need to come right here, stay on your profile like this, click on the gear icon at the top right corner. So right here, you just need to click on the search button and search for memories. So when you search for memories, go ahead and click on it like this. So let's say yours is not backup like this. If your own smart backup is not turned on like this, you just need to toggle it like this in order to enable it. Now come right here as well and click on this place where you can see auto save my story snap. So you need to allow this like this, and also this place where you can see save button, you need to make sure that you select memories and camera rolls so that whenever you take a pic, it is going to be saved into your phone gallery and also save on your memories on Snapchat as well. So these are the steps you can actually take in order to prevent further losses. Hope you found this video helpful, because we've come to the very end of this video. This is how you can actually recover your snap or photos on Snapchat. Hope you found this video helpful. Now like this video, subscribe and hit notification bell to be the first to get updated whenever I upload helpful videos like this on this channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.